morning, guys. This morning is a true case of chasing sunrises. I've actually woken up extremely early. It's currently 5 o'clock and I'm heading to the pier to go and meet Peter so that we can catch the sunrise over there. Supposedly the sunrise over there is really incredible, so I'm really excited to see what it's like. We're going to be flying our drones and getting some awesome footage. I'm extremely tired right now, but you know what they say, the early bird gets the worm, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Well, the problem becomes no transport. So yesterday, I think I butchered the name of this pier. It's called Butwani Bridge. Alright, so I'm here right on time. The sun hasn't risen yet, so we're expecting it to rise somewhere along that point over there. There's some incredible cloud coverage. When the sun starts rising, it's probably going to look so epic. How are you doing?
I was slightly earlier.
Wow, 6.
Yeah. I was up,
but this view though. So we mentioned yesterday that we were probably going to backflip from there, but the tide is still so low, so we're not going to do it. Fuchs! I like your t-shirt, bro.
Thanks, man.
So Peter is planning to fly his drone through there. But don't you think it gets like extremely narrow at the end?
No, it doesn't get narrow. It's the same thing you're seeing here. This way. It's just that it's going this way. So you think it's narrow, but it's not.
Okay then. That's gonna be a sick drone shot, just going through. So we're still waiting for the sun to rise. Somewhere around there. Looking good. So far so good. So that's Peter running to try and get a shot of that dhow with the sun rising behind it. He ran all the way from here, all the way there. I've got my shot lined up perfectly over here. So now I just need to wait for the dhow to reach like somewhere here. It was worth the run.
150%.
Now, from the number of sunrises I've seen, I thought I was not a sunrise person, but after seeing the sunrise here, I think that was arguably the best sunrise I've seen in my life. Dude, your drone looks so cool, man. So what's the plan?
The plan is to attract the least attention as possible. But
oh, you're lucky because that's the Mavic 2, right?
yeah.
Much more silent than mine. So you should be good to go. Calibration.
Yeah, whatever.
A few moments later.
Oh shit. What the hell happened, man?
Who knows?
How?
I think it was the last obstacle, and just when I was about to finish.
So we were just waiting for Peter to fly the drone through this area, and at like some point he just goes like flip and starts running.
Thank you.
So it turns out he crashed his drone and it fell right into the water.
It's probably dead. It's probably dead.
Oh gosh.
Fucking hell, man. I'm not even switching it on. I'm afraid.
Yeah, you shouldn't now. Wait for it to dry.
Yeah, I'm afraid. So I'm trying to look. The moment I changed whatever like this concentration, I moved it.
Well, fortunately we have backup.
Yeah, but my main base toasted.
Your main base toasted. You mad though, bro?
I'm not mad. I'm trying not to be mad. Please wake up. Don't leave me. You know I love you.
Oh no. This is sentiment.
Do you think it's rest in peace or?
We'll find out. We'll find out.
So
The biscuit was nice to risk it for, but it might end up not being.
to be continued.
Yeah, salty biscuit, not a sugary one.
So that story is to be continued. I will find out the details in like the next 5 days. I pray for you, bro. Guys, 1 like equals 1 prayer. 1 comment equals 2 prayers.
Yeah. 1 share is 10 prayers.
Yeah. So share. Let's get Peter's drone back to life. That was quite an eventful morning here in Malindi, and it's like adventures in Malindi. I have to say that being here in Malindi, I've had such a great time. We had to stop over Malindi before we took a flight to Lamu earlier, and we had a small glimpse of the beach, and I didn't quite like it, so I thought, like, should I really come back to Malindi and showcase Malindi? But I was convinced just to do it, and immediately I started enjoying it. Malindi is actually a very incredible place. It's very different from the other places here in the coast. Sabina was telling me that she works with a tourism association, and they're looking to bring on this project of beautification and cleaning up the area, and basically educating the locals on not throwing trash and picking up trash. And I think that would really positively impact the tourism in Malindi, and that's where I think that Malindi would become the Bali of Kenya, because it just has that Bali vibe to it. It would just be so amazing. Anyway, it's our final morning in Malindi, and it's time to go to Kilifi. So how we're going to get to Kilifi, we're going to grab a tuk-tuk from here that will take us to a matatu stage, and from there we'll grab a matatu that will take us to Kilifi. That's the cheapest way to travel. I'm going to tell you guys the prices when I find out the prices. I'm still not sure. I think it should be around 300 shillings, around that range. About an hour later, we have made our way to Kilifi. We spent 150 for the tuk-tuk to take us to the stage, and from the stage we paid 200 per person to get to Kilifi. So if you want to make this trip, you just have to ask the tuk-tuk driver to take you to the right stage. Well, another tuk-tuk later, and we have made our way to this place that we're going to be staying at. It's called Kamili House, and I am blown away. This place is so beautiful. This is what it is. This is the entrance. You guys have to see this. Look at this. Okay, wait for it. Guys, look at that. Look. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, they have this cool slide that you can slide into the water. I am speechless right now. This is so incredible. Yo, dude, this place though, huh?
This place is like heaven. I don't even know what to say. It's just
This is the dream. Wow.
royalty, basically. I feel like royalty.
Right.
Yeah.
And it's so homely, like it's so poshly done, yet it just feels like home.
Yeah.
Wow. Guys, look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is a hidden gem, no lie. Okay, crazy excitement aside, I need to give you guys a small room tour. So, this is the lobby into my room, and then you come in here. Got that, a nice study desk. Then you walk into one of the awesomest bathrooms I've ever seen. Look at this mirror though. Whoa. This house has 4 other rooms. It's very family oriented, so you have this room here. I think Hamdi is sleeping here. And then you just come across it and you come to a kid's room. So that's a children's room. Walk across, and then you get to, whoa. That is one huge bathroom. Wow. Okay, and here's another kid's room. And if we keep walking, okay, we get to the master bedroom, which is, whoa. I should have picked this as my room. I could stay here for like ever, seriously. But unfortunately, well, fortunately, we're gonna be staying here for the next 2 nights. Right now it's 12 o'clock and we're just gonna chill, hang out by this awesome pool. I can't even fit anymore. Okay, there we go. That was awesome. We're eating lunch here at Kamili and they have an in-house chef. His name is Walter and I have to say the guy is freaking amazing. So right now we're having fish cakes and these are rocket leaves with calamari. It's a salad and wow, I never knew rocket leaves and calamari just marry so well. It tastes so freaking awesome. Along with that, we're also having potato salad. I love rocket leaves. Rocket leaves are like my favorite herb. Such a unique flavor. They have access to the beach down there, but it's more of a reef. But the tide right now is quite low and I think there's sea pools forming. Oh my god. Oh, there's little hermit crabs on this. Guys, look at that. Oh, that's so cute. Wow, that's such a cute little small hermit crab. There's another one up there walking. I can't get focus on him. So that was a fun trip to the beach. Alright guys, so our time here in Kilifi has been basically a relaxed one, just chilling here in the villa and getting that edit work done and replying to emails, all that back-end stuff, because I found it very hard to be on the road and edit and do all that back-end work at the same time. So I just wanted to take 2 days off to get that done. I've managed to get a lot of stuff done. But I haven't explored much of Kilifi. I know there's quite a few things that you can do here, like you can kayak, there's a few water sports, you can get onto a dhow and have a sunset dhow trip, which is really cool in my opinion. But for me, I just wanted to relax these 2 days. We're leaving for Mombasa today, and before we head out, we have stopped at this place to grab some street food. At least try something here in Kilifi before we go. This price list. I could eat everything over here and still not spend more than 1,000 shillings. This right here is chicken tikka and those are viazi karai. These are 5 bob. This is 180 shillings. Guys, this here is like calamari tikka and it's so freaking awesome.
I only eat my squid here. Everywhere else messes me up, but
over here is like, wow. Good suggestion. Thank you. Overall, I give this place a huge thumbs up. I would give 2, but my other hand's holding the camera, so 2 thumbs up. It's time to go to Mombasa. We've made it here to Mombasa and it cost us just 200 shillings and about 1.5 hours later we're now on a tuk-tuk heading to our accommodation. So I'll end the vlog over here. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button, and if you're new here, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one in my accommodation. See you guys.
Fan of the day.